All right, everybody, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where we are currently doing the 195. That's right, 195 countries, 195 cocktails with myself and the Nom Nom Bomb on Instagram. So, well, what are we gonna do this week? Last week we were in Israel, and where are we gonna go? Zimbabwe. What are we gonna do for that? Citrus. The second largest producer of citrus in Africa. All right, Zimbabwe, I got you. Let's go.
All right, you will need Campari, gin, vermouth, orange bitters, and some orange juice.
All right, this week we are gonna make the Negroni, and we're gonna base it all off of citrus.
All right, we're gonna start this off with 1 shot of gin, followed by 3/4 of a shot of vermouth, and 3/4 of a shot of Campari. Now we need the juice of half an orange, which will roughly be around 3/4 of a shot. We'll add some ice to our shaker and give it a shake. We're gonna rim our glass with some sugar, add a dash of orange bitters into it, and pour. Fill the glass the rest of the way with ice and add an orange peel for a garnish.
And here it is, the Negroni Zimbabwe style. Let's give it a drink. Ooh. This is a great drink that you guys all need to try at home. You're absolutely gonna love it. Like and subscribe to this channel, because who knows what country we're going to next. We'll see you next week. Cheers.